Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a get ready with me video 2018. The last time I did one was last year, which was like a morning routine slash get ready with me video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of had a hard time recording it because of all the angles, and I had to use like a mirror to see what I was doing. So if you see me looking down and you see the mirror I was using, I'm sorry, but that's the only way I could see what I was doing. So the first thing I will be doing is priming my face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte primer, and what I will be doing is just putting it some on my finger, and a little bit goes a long way, so I only do like one little dot and then I just spread it all around my face like you can see right now. So the next thing I will be doing is applying my foundation. I use the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation. I just found out about this about 2 months ago and I finally bought it, so I'm going to be trying it out in this video. It's supposed to stay on for 24 hours and be completely full coverage, so let's just see how full coverage it is. I am applying it with a beauty blender that I got from Walmart, which actually works just as good as the actual beauty blender. So if I can find out which one it is, I will link it down below, as well as the foundation and the primer that I used. So the third thing I will be doing is baking my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me baking powder. And so I will be applying it underneath my eyes, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and then for my forehead I just apply it with a brush like a normal pressed powder, and then I do the same thing onto my neck just to match the color. The reason why I don't bake my forehead is because it makes it look really cakey in my opinion, and it falls into my eyebrows and then makes my eyebrows really light, so yeah. So the third thing I will be doing is my brows. I mean the fourth, sorry. I'm really tired right now, but yeah. So I'll be using the Rimmel London eyebrow pencil for my brows. I like this eyebrow pencil. I think it's a really good color for my eyebrows, and the consistency of it is really smooth and it's really easy to apply. Okay, and then for the eyeshadow, I will be using the Tartelette Toasted palette, and I will be using the lightest shade in the corner. I will be showing you that right now. I will be using S'more for the base shade on my lids, and then I'll be applying that with a flat brush from Wet n Wild. Okay, so for the crease shade, I will be using this orange tone right here. I don't remember the name of it, but then I'll be taking my blending brush and then just working that into the crease. Okay, and so for the next shade, I will be using the cozy shade, and then I will just be applying that on my crease as well. Okay, so now I will be taking this shade right here, this darker shade, and then I will be applying that in the inner corners as well as blending it a little bit onto the lid to give it a smoky effect. Okay, so for some reason the eyeliner was not filmed while I was doing it. I thought I did film it, but I didn't. But anyway, so now I will be doing the contour, and I'll be using the Wet n Wild contour. I love the formula in this, and it's just amazing. Okay, so now for blush, I'll be using the Maybelline Master Contour palette. I've had this for a while, so it's kind of used a lot, as you can tell, but I love this blush, and I just like the color of it. It's very pink, and I love a dark pink rosy cheek look, and so I will just be applying that with my blush brush in a swish motion on my cheek. Okay, so for highlight, I will be using this Too Faced highlight. I love this highlight. It was not very expensive. I think it was only $29, which is a lot for a highlight to most people, but it's actually a really good highlight, and it's very bright, and it stays on all day also, which is what I love. Okay, and then for mascara, I will be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I love this mascara. It is a cheap price, and it applies my mascara really well. I already have long eyelashes, so I don't like to apply false ones because it just takes so much effort for me, and I'm also not very good at it. But I hope to keep practicing and be able to apply them eventually, so that later on in my YouTube channel I can apply makeup looks and makeup tutorials and be able to use falsies instead of my real eyelashes, because mascara tends to make your eyelashes fall out, but so does falsies sometimes because of the glue. But yeah, hopefully in the future I'll be able to apply false lashes in my videos. Okay, so that is all for my daily makeup routine. I hope you guys like this video. Sorry for not having some of the clips in it. For some reason, my camera did not catch everything or wasn't recording when I applied my eyeliner. But yeah, please stay tuned for more videos. I will be planning to upload at least 2 videos a week if that's possible. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please turn the notification bell on if you can, and then please subscribe to my channel for more videos coming up in the future, and that will be great. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.